This video comes from the Resources for Early Learning website, and we're going to learn about, we're going to look for how this classroom celebrates differences in others based on diversity or other special needs of children.
First, I'm going to start with a great big book, and it's this one. The pages are so giant, and it's called We Are All Alike, We Are All Different. It starts like this. We are all alike because we are all people. Diversity is celebrating differences between ourselves. Difference in ability, difference in culture, languages. And we use that book as the jumping off point for discussion. Who here is a girl?
Me. Not me.
And who here is a boy? So some of us are girls, and some of us are boys. Each page showed a way that the children were similar to each other. And then it went on to notice the differences. So we all started to talk about the differences in our color, our skin, our hair, our eyes. And we talk about that and we celebrate that. What color is your hair?
Black. Brown. Some people's are
brown.
Hey, mine's are black.
Vivian, did you do any cut pictures?
Yes, I did.
Come on up. Different languages is one way that you can express diversity. You want to encourage the children use that language that they know. The children that are dual language learners, I ask them, how do you say the pictures that they brought in, not just in English, but in their second language? Any of those words? Do you know in your Russian language? How do you say it?
Eyes is glaza.
Glaza?
Yes.
Almost like saying glasses.
Hair is volosy.
Say that louder.
Volosy.
Volse?
And I don't know anymore.
That's amazing.
One of the things that I do to foster diversity is to trace the children's bodies. I'll take a photo and make a photocopy of it and put them all around the classroom. They look at it and they feel good about themselves to see themselves up there. And it's also a way to measure each other, who's shorter, who's taller, so they can compare and contrast. And it's also a good way for them to see this is our class. This is us. We belong here. I'm going to have you look in the mirror and see what you see. I want you to look very closely. Check out your eyes and see if they're brown or black or green.
Find some markers.
One of the ways that I help children recognize their sameness and differences is to have them look in the mirror and draw what they see. What kind of eyebrows do you have? What color eyes do you have?
And what else you have? What else you see on your face? Your mouth. Can you draw your mouth?
We all have hair, we all have eyes, and we all have mouths. So the features are the same. So I'll tell them, my eyes are green, your eyes are brown, but we both have eyes. Your hair is short and my hair is longer. So I'll point out the differences, or I'll ask them to point out the differences.
Is Cheyenne's hair the same as your hair? Oh,
They both have the same hair.
beautiful.